Here we go. I'm deciding to record this because it's 2 o'clock in the morning where I'm at right now. So, on Webull, I'm 25 shares into AUUD. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm just going to follow the ticker. I'm potentially considering buying even more. I have 25 shares, which is nothing crazy. But of course, this is my small account. We got PIK also running. This was actually a ticker I was following at $4 and I didn't get in. They have very similar setups in regards to the volume as well as the float. So maybe this is a sympathy play with the dynamics. We'll see. Currently up around $4 on the position. Probably a little bit more than that. Yeah, 550. Very similar setup here. Two large volume pop-ups, indecisive candles. On PIK, we did have some red candles. Here we have green candles, which, how do you say, is not that big of a deal just yet, but could be something to keep an eye on. See, I think this will tap 360 here. Yeah, we do see some similar. So we want to see a spike up here. As you can see here, we are establishing some buying pressure underneath $4, so that's good. We just need some volume. It's still early on in the morning. We're only an hour and 10 minutes into the market. PIK hitting 11 again. There we go, 11:30. Yeah, maybe PIK was probably the play here, but I'm curious to see if we get a sympathy setup play. It's very similar, especially if we see a drop on PIK 1140. But on AUUD, we could get a big spike up here. Probably want to establish a sell. All right, we're just going to go back to this. PIK is still running. But let's take a look here. Where are we dealing with this? I had this going back to 360. We hit 370, so that's not far off. All right, we're going to put in a sell order at 490. We don't have a stop loss set up because we can't set up a stop here in the pre-market. But I do think we're going to get a nice little spike here at some point. Yeah, we're doing good. First pop-up, we have buying established. The volume's not great, but if we get a surge in volume, we should be good. There we go. We're looking good. 424. Refresh this. PIK, man. I'm gonna switch over here. 1275. Oh, that was a good gainer right there. But this could do well for this ticker that I'm in, AUUD. A lot of liquidity going around. $440, $450. I'm going to cancel that sell order. We're looking good. We're looking good. It's the volume that's got me going. All right, so we are here. If we can break, was it 475? We're good to go. We hit 470. All right. We're gonna take 10. We're gonna try to take 10 here at 460. Should see a little bit of a spike up here in a sec. See that ebb and flow coming in. We filled that gap that I was talking about with the 13 there. Boom. We sold 10. So we got 15 shares left. We made some profit. That's good to see. So we want to break 475 here. And we're off to the races. There we go. 477. We're looking good. This is what I was expecting. This is what I was wanting. This is exactly, if you look at the PIK setup, is very similar. So now we want to see an increase in volume. I was watching PIK earlier, so hopefully if we follow today's trend, doing the same thing here, we should see it's going to dance around here, indicating that we might sell off. But it's going to be a false sell-off here. So we should see a spike here up to this $5 area. If we go to the 1 hour, as you can see here, we did hit that 475 level, which we're trying to break right now. We broke it last week 2 times in a row, and we've broken it for the 3rd time here. So if we can't break it here, then this thing's going to drop. But the setup indicates to me that that's probably not the case. The setup is a lot steeper than the previous days. When we spiked up first time, there was like no volume. When we spiked up here, there's very little volume. And we sold off here. I mean, there's probably people here who bought in Friday morning who are selling out now. This we're probably experiencing as people wake up across the country. We're probably going to see some buying pressure kick back in here at some point. Again, we're just going to be bouncing back and forth here. No biggie. So we're okay with that volume. We're at 460 where we sold out the first 10 shares. We still have 15 left. This whole candle, right, is covering this area. So if we can break this, what is essentially 490 level, right, we can hit into that $5 range, which is what we're looking to do here. We're onto a new candle. We're already spiking up to the 70s. We're looking good here. Yep, we're going to get that 13 VWAP break. They're going to play around for a little bit, but we're going to get it. I can see it in the volume. I can see the way it's moving. 491. So we're back at that high. We just hit $5. Let's go. All right, so we're now switching over to the sell. 501, 510. There we go. We're starting to pick up. $520, $531. Boom, $560, $569. Let's go. From the bottom, baby. All right, we got a good volume set up on this. I think we should be breaking the, 570, 572. We're looking good, baby. 578, very clean. 584, 594, 568. We're at $6 now. This could really start moving here. 601. We've broken $6. We hit 604. All right, we're now getting some selling pressure kicking in. I did try to sell. I should have put that 5 share sell in a little bit earlier. We're going to take a bit of a pullback here. All right, on the 1 minute, some selling pressure. We have a gap there as well. You might ask, why am I not just letting it ride? Why am I trying to take some money off the table? Profit is profit, man. Don't want to be greedy in these situations. Just let the play ride, and you'll see where you land on it. We're at 670, 690, quick spike. Again, it's that low floater with high volume. PIK, as I said, as it was falling, we were going to see a flip over to a new ticker, which we got here on AUUD. All right, let's look at the 4 hour. So we're at the 500 on the 4 hour. See, we need to break this. All right, so now we need to go to daily resistances. So we got 950, 640. We've broken 640. We're now above it, so we're gonna. Wow, it's moving real quick here. 749. All right, well, this is a big green candle here, so we're just gonna let this one ride out. I mean, this is at $8 now. 8.25. We're just hitting home runs here, baby. 840. 850. 892. Man, we are really running here. Not wow, we're still going. $9. 936. All right, we're okay. Big drop here. Yeah, this is probably going to be a bit of a high. Hitting 936. So you know what? We're going to change this. Because, I mean, every move now is just, it's a big move. So we're going to put a sell order in here again. We're going to go to the 2 minute. All right, we're going to go like right here. 888. Can we hit 888 again? Probably. I think we might even go higher than this. We'll see. It should hit this area. Oh yeah, okay. We're just nope, it's gonna come back down here. Yep, we're gonna try to catch the fallen knife. Sell. Nope. Okay. My mistake here. Waited a little too long for that. Big drop here, but no surprise. I mean, we hit an 847 here. Not a bad. And we're now going all the way back down to 642. Big drop here. Big drop. A lot of selling pressure kicking in simultaneously. That is the problem when you trade in the mornings, is that nope, I just sold 5 without. Okay, well, that's fair. I mean, I'm up 60% regardless, so that I didn't actually mean to sell those 5 shares, but because it's coming back up now. But hey, we had 25 shares to begin with. We've been selling out pretty nicely. I mean, we're up. What are we up now? We're up $45 on a $100 position, so we're up 45% on the overall trade so far. So nothing to complain about. Should have known PIK is coming back up, so that liquidity is exiting out of the market. So channel here, which if I do a little fib retracement from here down to here, that would put us right back at the 758, 760 level. Now we sold off all the way down there. We should be retesting this 500 maybe once again and not going anywhere. PIK is at this very similar thing, and there we go. We're moving back up on AUUD. AUUD looks probably the most enticing right now of any trade. PIK is already up around 400%, so that's going to make it difficult for people to get in. ATNF is up 40%, but it's already copied 2 plays previously, so all right, just pull me out. No. Well, I wasn't wrong on this area. 714 is fine with me. Nope. All right, so we got massive rejection. Indecisive. Interesting. Oh, wait. I'm out. Okay. I'm out of the position. There we go. Boom. I got cleaned out. Good trade. Made around $43.52 on the trade on a $100 position. So 43% trade early on in the morning. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Until next time. Peace.